Welcome. In this short video, I'm going to teach you how to meditate, step by step, and explain why each part of the practice helps calm your mind, relax your body, and bring clarity into your day. Meditation is simple. You don't need experience. You don't need perfect posture. You just need a few quiet minutes. Step 1. Find your seat. Sit comfortably on a chair, on the floor, or on a cushion. Let your spine be tall but relaxed. Rest your hands softly on your lap. Why this matters. Your body posture directly affects your nervous system. A relaxed, upright seat signals safety to the body, helping your breath deepen and your mind settle. Step 2. Breath awareness. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Begin by noticing your natural breath, the gentle rise and fall of your inhale and exhale. If your mind wanders, simply return to your breath. Why this matters. Your breath is the fastest way to shift your state. Slow, steady breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your calm and restore mode, reducing stress and grounding your thoughts. Step 3. Body scan. Bring your awareness to your body. Start at the top of your head. Move down to your face, your shoulders, your chest, your arms, your legs, all the way to your feet. Notice sensations without judging them. Why this matters. A body scan reconnects you with your physical presence. It releases tension you didn't know you were holding and teaches your mind to observe without reacting. A core skill in meditation. Step 4. Mindfulness. Let the present moment open around you. Sounds, thoughts, feelings, all passing like clouds in a quiet sky. You don't need to hold anything. You don't need to push anything away. Just be aware of them. And then focus on your breathing. Why this matters. Mindfulness trains your brain to stop fighting thoughts. Instead of getting pulled into them, you learn to watch them come and go, reducing overthinking and emotional overwhelm. Step 5, visualization. Imagine a soft morning light rising in front of you. Warm, gentle, peaceful. Let it fill your chest, your heart, your whole being. Why this matters. Visualization activates the same neural pathways as real experience. The brain responds to imagined calm the way it responds to actual calm, making this technique powerful for beginners. Step 6, mantra and counting. Inhale calm, exhale release. Now count your breaths to 10. 1, 2, 3, up to 10. If you lose count, simply begin again. If your mind wanders, go back to your count. Why this matters. Mantras give you a simple anchor, and counting adds gentle structure. Together they reduce mental noise and help you stay focused for longer. Step 7, closing. Take 3 slow breaths. Inhale new energy. Exhale softness. Inhale clarity. Exhale peace. Inhale presence. Exhale grounding. Gently open your eyes. This is how you meditate, and why each step helps you feel calmer, clearer, and more connected. Have a beautiful day. If you found this helps, or you want to know more, I have individual meditations for each of the steps. I'm always here. Peace, hope, clarity.